Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, specifications for Kiran MK2 to CATS AMCA conversion. HAL in collaboration with Bengaluru-based New Space Research and Technologies has revealed the specifications for its ambitious project to transform the Kiran MK2 intermediate jet-powered trainer aircraft into the CATS AMCA, that is optically manned combat aircraft. This project marks a significant development in India's pursuit of cutting-edge unmanned aerial vehicle technology. Next, multiple missile tests in December. India has issued several notices to airmen, that is NOTAMs, announcing the closure of airspace for missile testing activities throughout December 2023. These NOTAMs indicate potential tests for various missile systems, raising questions about the specific types and intended purposes. Next, SkyCntrl to detect terrorist paragliders and drones. Poland-based Advanced Protection System, that is APS, has presented India with its SkyCntrl anti-drone system, claiming it can detect even low-flying drones and other aerial objects like paragliders. This comprehensive solution is designed to address the growing concerns around unauthorized drone activity and potential threats to security. Next, counter-drone systems to protect Airbases. The Indian Air Force has taken a major step towards safeguarding its airbases against the growing threat of drones by installing advanced counter-drone systems. These systems are capable of neutralizing unidentified unmanned aerial vehicles using a mix of hard kill and soft kill options. Next, top attack protection cages on Indian T-90 MBTs. The Indian Army Western Command recently conducted integrated training exercises and field firing drills to validate operational readiness and firepower for swift and fierce deep maneuvers. Notably, these exercises mark the first appearance of top attack protection cages on Indian T-90 MBT tanks, highlighting a significant development in the country's tank defense strategies. Next, weight reduction measures for TAPAS UAV. The indigenously developed tactical aerial platform for advanced surveillance, that is TAPAS 201, medium altitude long endurance unmanned aerial vehicles will be subjected to weight reduction measures to address its current overweight condition. The UAV is currently unable to climb beyond 28,000 feet, falling short of the Indian Tri-Services mandated 30,000 foot operational ceiling. Next, Avionics content in military platforms to 75 to 80%. HAL Chairman and Managing Director C.B. Ananthakrishnan has announced ambitious plans to significantly increase the indigenous content of avionics system in military platforms. The company aims to achieve an impressive 75 to 80% level of indigenous avionics within the next 5 years, marking a significant leap from the current 40 to 45% used in platforms like the LCA Tejas and LCH Dhruv. Next, launch of NGLV program. Next, details of next gen launch vehicles, that is NGLV program. The Indian Space Research Organization has provided further insights into its ambitious next-gen launch vehicle program revealing details about two variants, a low Earth orbit, that is LEO, and a geostationary transfer orbit, that is GTO version. Next, suspension of missile testing to protect sea turtles in Odisha. DRDO has decided to halt missile testing on Odisha Wheeler Island from January to March next year to protect olive ridley sea turtles during their nesting season, reports said. Next, semiconductor unit in Assam by Tata. The Tata Group is planning to set up a semiconductor processing plant in Assam at an investment of about rupees 40,000 crore, Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said on Friday. Thank you.